Installing wood shakes on a curved roof can be challenging, especially at tight bends. The best way of getting the desired curves is steaming the wood to make its fibers flexible. Unfortunately, this process requires a fair amount of setup and time. To get the job done, we decided to build our own wooden steam box with an inlet, shelves and a hinge door. As a steam generator, we were using a wallpaper removal tool purchased at the local Home Depot, which is actually worked out quite well. As a general rule, wood needs steaming about an hour per inch, but soft wood requires much less. In our case, we had to wait about 7 to 8 minutes between each load. Once the fibers of the wood become soft and flexible, we put them into a bending machine which we designed and built on site. The bent shakes will indefinitely hold their new shape. Thank you for watching this short little video. Hopefully it's gonna help you to get your roofing project done as well. Good luck!